Sorry for on tomorrow, sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
Unless you got something pertinent to say, you better close that door and go to bed.
Yes, sir.
I'll be down in a minute. Close your door until I get down there. Close your door until I get down there. With you in the room. Shut the flashlight.
Sir.
You don't know.
Flashlight.
So wait a second. You went from I don't know to he was using the flashlight.
Brother.
Now you kind of lied to me. We just got a flashlight.
I know, I have it right here, but he was using it out. He was using it out. But it's not a flashlight. No, it's not. I've never.
It's a very nice flashlight.
Grandma gave it to me.
So if you want to send your grandma, you can get it too, man.
Yeah.
How does you quit being a child and go to bed? Leave this on the desk. Your desk. In a drawer. Do it now. Over. Come here. Leave it there. You go to bed.
Sir.
Get to it.
We need to get ready tomorrow, sir. Flashlight. That painful Mr. Squinty over there.